so many of us masking and keeping our distance, 2021 was a tough year for romance, but former Bachelor and Bachelorette contestant Bob Guiney is back right now. He's also a father of two, and he's here to share how to make a great impression and how to recapture and keep the romance going. Hi, Bob.
Hi, guys. Celebrate by making your Valentine's something delicious to eat and drink. Make the Rose of Palm cocktail with unique burst of flavor and antioxidant goodness of Palm Wonderful 100% pomegranate juice. Palm juice adds a festive ruby red pop of color and a delicious sweet yet tart flavor to any dish or cocktail. Pair it with these ruby red palm bars and it will not disappoint. Now, even better, each 16-ounce bottle of palm juice contains the juice of 4 whole-pressed pomegranates and nothing else. No added sugar, fillers, or preservatives. Now, you can brighten up her day with these 2 gorgeous bouquets, which are part of Teleflora's best-selling Valentine's Day lineup, the Precious and Pink Bouquet and the Sophisticated Love Bouquet. They both feature a beautiful mix of pink, red, and white fresh flowers with greenery. They're beautifully curated arrangements, ready to enjoy from the moment they arrive, hand-delivered by a local florist. Now, all Teleflora bouquets include a stylish container that can be incorporated into your home for years to come. Now, this one is for the ladies. The Gimme Beauty Freedom Curling Iron gives you wireless freedom to do touch-ups and styling wherever life takes you. The titanium barrel for evenly distributed heat means smooth, soft, romantic curls perfect for date night. It has the longest lasting battery life for up to 45 minutes of styling, and you can plug it in and continue to use while charging. You can keep it in your purse or suitcase and use it on the go. Use the code VDayCurls30 to get a 30% discount. Now, as you indulge with those sugary treats as part of the celebration, make sure that doesn't diminish your smile. That's why United Healthcare Dental is reminding members to focus on dental health before and after Valentine's Day, which means brushing in the morning and at night for a full 2 minutes, flossing daily, and getting those twice yearly cleanings typically covered by your dental plan. Also included with many of the plans are virtual dental visits. You can get 24/7 advice from a licensed dentist and help avoid potentially unnecessary trips to the ER for toothaches. For more information on all these great Valentine's Day ideas, visit dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thanks, Bob.